Check it out, folks. What I wanted to show you exclusively is this beautiful boulder wall that we're building. It's going to be able to increase this customer's value on their home and also give them an outdoor experience that they've been dreaming of. And if you're just now tuning into our channel, we want you to go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also make sure you check us out on Facebook. Simply go into your Facebook watch, type it in Brooks Landscaping. I want you to become a part of Brooks University. It definitely is a great way for you to learn more about landscaping and how we're out here turning dreams into a reality. Today we got a nice boulder wall installation taking place. As you can see, we've already graded this area out appropriately. These are our beautiful two-man finger boulders. They're going to be doing exceptional in regards to making this property look magnificent. And I just wanted to begin to help you guys understand how something like this can become a reality for one of your customers. As you can see, as we dig this area out, we've also provided this area with the nice detail to definition and design. Those boulders just look absolutely phenomenal, and it's because we work really hard in making sure that we get them appropriately level. We dig the area out, we backfill the area with dirt, and we really ensure that this area turns out phenomenal. And I want you to just kind of understand how that takes place. And if you would, just go ahead and subscribe, continue to watch this job unfold, as it's going to be a great way for you to understand what takes place anytime you get ready to do a boulder wall. And as you see, we've excavated this area about 8 inches, 6 inches so, and then we were also installing these beautiful decorative boulders in order to enhance this landscape. We're going to be coming back with some plants. We're not only solving the landscape erosion because it's on the hillside, we're also providing a way for the client to have an outdoor curb appeal. And so that's definitely what you look for anytime you go out to a job. Just wanted to give you guys an idea of what that process looks like. So now, as you can see, this area being excavated out appropriately allows us to take our finger boulders and just place them right in the vicinity of where we're going to be looking for this wall. The main thing with this is level, and so you'll see that we got the boulders positioned a certain way. We did want this beautiful, pretty side to show, but it definitely says that we had to get level as well. And so that's what we did with this. Is we got ready to install this nice boulder wall. We got level, and then we made sure we put dirt where necessary in order to make it level. So there's the first stage of this boulder wall, and we'll be back.